Are you confused in choosing between the best? No need to worry more. In this video, we will see an outline of AutoCAD versus Solidworks. We will discuss all aspects of these two software to get a better understanding of the two. Pros of AutoCAD. Creating 2D CAD geometry is super easy. No major technical knowledge is required to learn AutoCAD. AutoCAD generated .txf file is still the preferred input file for modern CNC machines. AutoCAD can generate basic 3D models very easily. Industry-specific CAD customization is very easy using AutoLisp. Forum-based help is great as this is the oldest CAD software. Cons of AutoCAD. Strictly a 2D CAD software. Creating a complex 3D model is super tough. No assembly module is available. Industry training modules like mechanism, animation, FEA is not present. No product data management tool. On the other hand, pros of SolidWorks. Best 3D CAD software. Intuitive user interface, easy to use commands, smooth learning curve, easiest CAD software to learn. Parametric CAD modeling, realistic 2D drafting. Sheet metal modeling, advanced assembly module. Finite element analysis, mechanism and simulation capability. Product data management tools are available. Cons of SolidWorks. No cons except the fact that 2D CAD drafting is not as good as AutoCAD.